Welcome to Baby Videos. Today we are going to learn numbers in Spanish. Are you ready? Do you know what number is this? Is number 1. In Spanish we say uno. Repeat with me. Uno, uno, uno. One amazing. Let's see what is the next number. Okay, now we have a beautiful pink number. Looks like a snake, isn't it? Do you know what number is this? Is number 2. In Spanish we say dos. Repeat with me. Dos, dos, dos. Amazing! Let's see what is the next number. Keep going, little guys. You're doing it so good. Now, for the next numbers, we are going to learn today. We have a stoning blue one. Look how he is dancing. What you can see is a talent number 3. In Spanish, we call this number tres. Would you say it with me? Tres, tres, tres. That is it. As soon as you watch, listen and repeat, you're going to be speaking Spanish in a blink of an eye so far. Which has been your favorite number? If you ask me, that number trees was pretty good, wasn't it? Okay, let's keep going with the lesson. You are doing it just fantastic. And I feel we are learning something together where parents and kids can have fun. In this occasion, we have number 4, showing us how to be a radiant green color. Green like the trees we see, and the plants that grows our fruits and vegetables. For the number 4 in Spanish is called cuatro. C-U-A-T-R-O, I know is hard. But if we say it together, surely we will know how to pronounce it. Ready? Cuatro, cuatro, cuatro. That is it. As perfect as guacamaya flying in the sky. This number is the last one of the list. We have a jumping yellow one. Can you jump as high as it? What you can see is here is the number 5. In Spanish, this is a bit harder one. We call this number cinco. C-I-N-C-O. Would you say it with me? Cinco, cinco, cinco. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to practice your numbers. That is the secret for learning everything you want. We are going to see you around. I cannot wait to teach you other numbers and colors. Please let me know what you would like to learn. And do not forget to share this video if you liked it. Together, we are going to learn Spanish and have fun. Bye-bye.